Hey guys, Brittany and Parker here from Dine.
Hello, and today we're going to Aquatica to check out the brand new water slides.
Yeah, new water slides. We haven't done them yet.
Right.
There's also a new coffee shop just inside the entrance called Coaster Coffee.
Yeah.
They have it in Orlando and we visited and it was really cool. So I'm excited to see that. It's brand new too.
And we're hungry and thirsty and it's hot, so let's get going. All right, we just walked in and actually over there are the new water slides. But right to the left of Aquatica's entrance is the new coffee place.
Yay, coaster.
Woohoo! Okay, let's head inside. I like it. I think
so far.
Yeah, the entrance is really cool.
Yeah.
And I like that it's split into two, it looks like. For ice cream at night, coffee in the morning.
So there's some drinks and bottles that you can get. This looks like the food selection, which is not very expansive. And then coffee menus up here. I like the menu, it's cute. And they have a little coaster that was going across. But not a huge menu, although I feel like pretty much anything you want would be here. Different iced coffees. They do have some of like the Starbucks refreshers and hot and cold coffee wraps. So I mean, good enough selection. I really like this wall over here. It's super cute. So this side of coasters is not open right now because it's the morning time. But later they'll be open and they have ice cream and funnel cake. You can see. Join us later today.
So while you wait for your coffee, they have these little scale models of tidal surge, and there's actually a button here. I don't know if this is going to work. Full disclosure. Oh, cool. How about that? And then over here they have Great White. Let's try this out. This is quite elaborate. I remember the one in Orlando had Mako. That one was really cool to see. I don't know if this one's working though. Let me try again. No, it's not working, but that's okay. At least one of them is, and at least there's two of them, just to make sure that at least one of them's going.
So we got a caramel frap. Of course, they do Starbucks coffee here, so.
Excellent.
Parker's not a big coffee person, so the only way I can get him to share some sort of coffee with me is if it's basically a shake.
It's true. It's like the one drink I'll drink.
Yeah. And then we got a muffin.
Oh, that's kind of cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're also sitting right next to this merch here. And I gotta say, like, I really like this a lot. I just don't know why I would need a Coaster Coffee shirt personally. But I mean, I think it's really cute.
Well, I think the thing is that they had such like a great reception for the one in Orlando.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That makes sense. But like, look at these mugs. Those are like quality, cute mugs. I really like that.
And obviously I would want them, but I don't drink coffee. So that's a bad example.
No, I really like it. It's nice.
What do we think? Honest thoughts.
I feel like they could have a little bit more selection, especially with food.
Yeah, that's true.
Like 2 muffins and 2 cookies.
Yeah.
That's not it.
But it's definitely a step in the right direction.
Yeah.
And those models are so cool.
Yeah, they are. They are really cool.
Yeah.
I'm already prepped for Aquatica. I'm like, let's go.
Looks like there's a little bit of a line forming, but it's not too bad. And we are getting here about an hour after they opened. I've always liked this walkway. It feels like you're going through the jungle to get to the oasis.
To the oasis.
Yeah. The stingrays.
Yeah, we really gotta do swimming with them.
We do.
We haven't done it.
Yeah, I think we'll do that next time.
Yeah.
And for those who aren't familiar with the park, right over there next to that giant stingray, this water slide actually goes underneath and into this aquarium. But the whole park has seen a rapid expansion over the course of the last few years and looks great. The line for Stingray Falls here, the same slide that goes into the aquarium, is super long already. And again, this is the first hour that the park has been open. Luckily, it's not our focus, so we're gonna move on. All right, here they are, Riptide Race. And there's actually 2 of them because they race. They're right next to each other. They open up so that way you can see the other person while you're riding the ride. And this whole area used to be sand and there was cabanas, but this is so much better of an attraction to have. A very family-friendly ride and the line is filling up, so we're gonna get on it. Here's one of the racing sections. Oh, here they go. Excited?
I'm excited and nervous.
What a view. You see the whole park over there at SeaWorld. We're next. Oh, there she is. She's beating me. No! She's way ahead. Oh, she's gonna win for sure. For sure she's gonna win. Direct eye contact.
That was fun.
Yeah, it's cute.
It's very mild.
It is mild.
Slow. I felt like it was like a lazy river of a slide.
It was.
I loved it. I'm like, I'll do it again and again and again.
Yeah, the views were great walking up there. The racing stuff is cool. I wish there was one more point where it races again.
Yeah, where
But
it opens to see.
yeah. Just one more time. But the fact that it's 3 times,
right?
yeah, that's still pretty good.
Yeah, I thought it was fun. And I
Thumbs
won.
up. And she won. That's true too. Well, it looks like people are starting to flood into Aquatica. People are waiting for a tube. And before we conclude the video, there was one thing that caught our eye. It was a food truck. We're gonna go check it out first and see what they have. All right, what are we getting? Oh, wow. Oh, here it is. Ooh. How is it? It's good?
It's good.
Yeah.
The meat's really good.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I'm excited because I'm like the cheesiest person.
The mac and cheese is good too, but like I'm really surprised by how good the carnitas are.
Yeah, and they had other stuff here too, like
They had a barbecue pulled
right.
pork,
Yep.
and then 4 cheese.
Right, and then I saw they had stingray-shaped cookies, so that's pretty cool too. We'll get those next time, I think. I'm excited. This is really good.
It is good, right?
Yeah.
What would be helpful here, though, is if they had like a couple tables or at least high tops, benches, something.
Oh yeah, even high tops. That's a good point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because there's space
Just
right
like
here
2 or
next
3.
to the truck, but
Right.
you know, just somewhere to eat the mac and cheese. I love that at Aquatica and SeaWorld you can see animals almost everywhere. So got some big tortoises here. Starting to get much busier, as you can see the lazy river is filling up. So I think we're probably going to head out.
Well, there you have it.
Yeah, I mean, really, we're going to do a full Aquatica vlog
Right.
at some point. We're going to explore Aquatica today, too, because
Yes.
we're here and it's hot. But the point of this video was really just to show you the new slide, Riptide Race,
Yeah.
the new coaster coffee company. I know it's a little short, but it's really cool new stuff.
And it was a successful day. It's a successful slide.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think, again, Aquatica has been building nonstop. Almost every other year they've built a slide.
Yeah.
So I'm really curious to see what they come up with next.
Aquatica.
Yeah, and they call themselves the best water park in Texas. I think they're going that direction, just how quickly they're building stuff. I know. I didn't claim it. It was them. But, you know, Schlitterbahn obviously is everyone's first thought, but Schlitterbahn hasn't been building a lot.
That's true.
So,
But-
if they continue this trajectory, who knows?
I guess, who knows.
Yeah.
See you guys next time.